ENGWE X20 electric bike, 20-inch fat tire, 750W motor. Ferocious power response. ENGWE Bicycle X20 impressive top speed of 31 miles per hour and a mind-blowing maximum power of 750W. Feel the unstoppable power and incredible versatility of adult electric bicycle, specifically designed for heart-pounding off-road adventures and effortless city commuting. ENGWE electric bike is your ultimate ticket to experiencing exhilarating freedom and excitement like never before. Worry-free riding. ENGWE X20 electric mountain bike powered by a cutting-edge 48V 22.2Ah removable lithium dual battery. This adult electric bike guarantees limitless exploration. Experience the freedom to roam with an impressive pure electric range of 47 miles throttle mode, allowing you to embark on thrilling adventures without worrying about power. Plus, with the PAS mode pedal assist mode, you'll soar up to a remarkable 71 miles, pushing your boundaries even further. Tire performance limits. ENGWE X20 a bike equipped with outstanding features, including 20*4.0-inch fat tires and 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. It delivers unparalleled stability and stopping performance. Weighing only 82 pounds, it is stable and easy to handle, catering perfectly to individuals between 5.4 to 6.2 feet tall and weighing up to 330 pounds. With the added benefit of headlights, it is also suitable for nighttime rides, guaranteeing safety and security during your evening adventures. Cotton soft shock and shift. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride on mountain trails or city streets with hydraulic shock absorbers. The premium 8-speed gearbox guarantees seamless gear transitions. Designed for comfort, it provides a soft and enjoyable riding experience. With excellent grip and braking performance, stability and safety are assured. Convenient gear shifting with pedal assist and thumb throttle modes. Equipped with a gear sensor to protect the bicycle and gearbox. Premium quality assurance and convenience. This incredible ride is designed with the ability to easily fold and be portable wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring new places, or simply need to save space, our ENGWE X20 folding electric bike is your perfect companion. Its compact design allows for easy storage and transportation, while still providing powerful performance and a comfortable ride. Premium quality assurance. Rest easy knowing your ENGWE X20 comes with a commitment to premium quality. Backed by comprehensive warranty coverage and responsive customer support, you'll enjoy worry-free riding and the confidence of a reliable, high-performance electric bike. ENGWE X20 electric bike, 20-inch fat tire, 750W motor.